discuss where they are differently used. In is used when we talk about that something is inside something. For example, in a big container, in a room, in a country, in a city. These all show that we are talking about the place. Let's have an example. The boy is inside the room. Here, the boy is standing inside the room. All right. And when we talk about months or years, we also use in. For example, in June, my birthday is in June. I was born in, for example, 2001. Right? When we use on is used to show that something is on the surface. For example, the book is on the table. Here, the book is on the surface of table. The book is on table. All right. And on is also used for days and date. For example, on Monday, on Sunday, and for showing date, we also use on. For example, I was born on 4th March. All right. Now it is used when we talk about something on something which shows a specific point. All right. A specific point, like for example, the boy is standing at bus stop. Here, the bus stop is the specific or exact point. When we talk about exact or specific point, we use it. And specific point or place or time. When we talk about the time, for example, keep in mind a specific point, a specific place, and a specific time. Means when we discuss, when we mention some specific point like bus stop, or at a street, or at the door, or at the time like at 5 p.m., at 4 p.m. All right. Now this is for you.